Hi, good day everyone, Shelben again, and welcome to our channel. Last video, I talked about the hot butter sauce. I even make a step-by-step procedure on how to make this lemon butter sauce. And I even serve it as a sauce accompaniment for our grilled fish steak. Today, I will be making a molded butter mixture, or also called compound butter. It is a soft butter with all the dry ingredients added into it. But it does not only use as a sauce accompaniment for grill. It can also use to enhance flavor of sauces, like the sauces of braise, of stews, and it can also enhance the flavor of food items like mashed potato by adding an herb butter to that mashed potato instead of just using a plain butter. And it adds flavor to breads like the garlic bread. By the way, before I forget, for first timer in our channel, after watching the video, please subscribe. So now, if we're ready, then let's start. Okay guys, we will make a molded butter mixture. These are the ingredients that we need. We need 1/2 bar of butter, and then our herb. This is chopped herbs, 1 tablespoon, mixture of basil, and rosemary, and then of course our chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon, and about half teaspoon of liquid seasoning. And of course, we have to season it with salt and pepper. And this is what we need: a nice hard wire whisk and a mixing bowl. Okay, we'll start. All the ingredients in this bowl. There goes the herb. There goes our garlic. And then our liquid seasoning. And then of course our salt and pepper, only to taste. Salt. White pepper, and then just have to mix it. Just like this, guys. Okay. And then we will just let it set a little bit, and then we will form it into a cylinder, and we will chill it to set. Okay, we'll form it now into a cylinder. Then we will roll it. And then we will just chill it. Okay. Squeeze, and then just chill it inside the chiller, and we'll slice it later. Okay, now here is our fish steak with boiled potato, and young carrots, and sauteed spinach and grilled tomato. Now we will put our herb butter on top, and then while it's melting, it will serve as a sauce of the fish steak. So guys, that is our molded butter mixture or a compound butter. You can make a lot of variations from this kind of molded butter mixture or compound butter. You can use it to top a steak like a pari butter or Hershey butter. You can also use this to enhance the flavor of your mashed potato. Simply by not only by just adding a plain butter, but also adding an herb butter. It's a molded butter mixture with herbs and garlic, and also for garlic bread. By the way, before I forget, for first timer in our channel, please subscribe. So guys, thank you for watching, and see you next video when we talk about that oil and vinegar dressing or vinaigrette used in the cold kitchen. This is Chef Mike Casabon signing off, and God bless us all.